Okay, my limited arsenal of camera equipment. This is a Coolpix L830, and that was my camera from the beginning, well, from just after the channel started. This right here is a rather new acquisition. This is a Nikon D3400 35mm, and it has the kit lens, and that's the one that we have been using. I'm kind of learning to use it because a lot of the focus and a lot of the settings are really pretty complicated for a novice. And then this is our little GoPro. This is not one of the newer GoPros. That is a GoPro Hero, and it's pretty old. And so that is the cameras that we use to make videos. Lately we have been relying on the Nikon D3400 more than anything else, and I am taking this current video on my cell phone, which is a Blue brand, BLU. Okay, before we get on to the subject matter at hand, I just want to go over the equipment that we use, which is limited. We don't have a big budget or anything like that. Our major acquisition was this Nikon D3400. I think it cost us around $600, like $600 to $700. Came with a kit lens, came with a few little accessories, and I am still in the process. As you notice from some of our past videos, the focus seems to kind of go in and out on me if I use autofocus, and if I use manual focus, it's really hard to focus it and be in the shot. And you know, I unfortunately, even if I use my glasses, which I need sometimes, it's hard for me to see definitely that I am in focus or that I have a certain depth of field. So what we're recording on right now, this part of the video, I'm recording at 1080p, 60 frames a second, and it's the Nikon Coolpix L830. So it's the camera that we had been using for a long time. I think it cost us around $250, I guess around 3 years ago at the beginning of the channel. Also, what I have been using, which leads us to my review for the day, is if we're in a small space and we need a lot of video, you know, we need to be able to cover a lot of the area and not make it so confining, then we use this GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero. We use it for a long time. Unfortunately, in low light situations, it doesn't work very well. And to tell you the truth, the video itself, the quality is not great. So I would like to be able to use this in a smaller area, you know, and get more of a wide angle. But unfortunately, wide angle lenses, I mean, depending on what you're getting, is $200 and up. You know, the better quality wide angle lenses, or even intro quality wide angle lenses, are like $200 or $300. So what I did is I got this. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is switch between the cameras, and on the screen I will put what camera I'm using. I'm going to leave my tripod in the exact same space, and then I am going to switch to the Nikon D3400 sitting on the same tripod with the same shot. So that's what's coming. This is the Nikon D3400. Hopefully I've set the focus right. That's the problem with that, is it's hard to figure out the focus if you are the subject as well as doing the videography. This right here is our old camera. It's the Coolpix L830 that I was talking about, and that was the previous video. This does have like this huge, so if you're out somewhere and you really need a lot of to video or take a picture over a long distance, like this is really incredible. And so in fact we've gotten some great video and pictures from this over the years. So now I am going to do the GoPro And then to follow that, we're going to unbox and try the wide angle lens. So I'm going to kind of compare what we have right now with the kit lens as much as we can see. And then I'm going to follow that with, first we're going to do the GoPro, so you see how wide that actually is. It's really wide. And then we're going to do the kit lens on the Nikon. And then we're going to try this new Altura wide angle kit. So what I was saying is $200 or more for the wide angle lens. This right here was $22, $21 or $22, and it is supposed to give you a wider angle. Of course, it's not going to be the quality of buying an actual Nikon, one of the NIKKOR lenses or whatever they're called. It's not going to be that quality, but it may be something that you can do within a budget to be able to achieve the same goal temporarily, or however long you need to use it. So this is the 43x wide angle HD lens attachment. It's from Altura Photo, and this is what I'm going to try out on the camera. It's about $21 or $22 on Amazon. It says auxiliary lens compatible with all camera brands, and that kind of it's compatible with a lens, not a certain camera. So this is a 55mm lens. You can find that on your camera lens, usually on the inside ring, and it has a detachable macro lens too. It says limited lifetime warranty, but I also got the added warranty from Amazon for any kind of accidents or incidents that may happen. So let's take a look inside. Inside the box, I'm just now opening it. See if I can get it without tearing it completely out. So inside the box, it looks like you have a little bit of, YouTube. Hey, special for us. A microfiber cloth for cleaning the lens. And then, it comes in a little bag. So let's pull the little bag out. And then inside the bag, grand opening, we have, and this feels like just kind of plastic, like vinyl something. So this is the lens. It's actually pretty heavy. So that's the lens, and it does come with a back cover. So it looks like it's pretty nice. It's all metal. So this is the macro part, and then this in the front is the wide angle. So let's make sure we can get it back on there. Okay. And this right here, nice big lens in the front. So on there it says MC HD 0.43x wide angle lens. So let's put it on the camera, and just like I said, I'm going to take a little video with the GoPro, and then I'm going to take a little video with the D3400, and then I'm going to take a little video with this wide angle on there. So let's go ahead and do it. The footage from the GoPro. Let me set it on here, making sure it's really still.
Hello, my name is Walden. Hello.
Okay.
This is the Nikon 3400. This is the wide angle attachment. You can see the corners are black, but with a little zoom in, no more black corners. You can see much more. All for $21. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like this review, but it's a short review of me the stocking.
Thanks to my partner here, my helper. We did a little review of this. As you can see, it gives you I mean, definitely more a wider angle, which is what you're looking for, and at an economical price. So overall, I mean, I give it a thumbs up.
Me
Right?
too.
All right. So thanks, guys. See you next video.
Ah.
Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out our old videos, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Share this on social media. We appreciate it. From your family, Modigazzi, the Browns.